From the profound depths of the cosmos, fleeting whispers arrive. Fast radio bursts, FRBs, bursts of energy so immense, they traverse billions of light-years in a fraction of a second. For years, they were cosmic anomalies, one-off events. Powerful, yes, but gone as quickly as they appeared. Unpredictable. Undecipherable. Until some started to repeat. A shift that would transform a mystery into an enigma. Then came FRB 121102. A signal that returned, not once, but repeatedly, from the exact same point in the sky. This wasn't a random flare, it was a sustained presence. What could generate such consistent bursts from a distant galaxy? The universe, it seemed, was not just flashing, it was echoing. And with each echo, new questions emerged about its origin. The initial repeaters were rare. But as technology advanced, particularly with the Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment, or CHIME telescope, the detection surged. In just 2 months, 13 new FRBs were found, including 7 at the lowest detected frequency, and for only the second time ever, another FRB that flashed 6 times in a row. Not an isolated incident, but a growing phenomenon. The real intrigue, however, began when these repeating signals started showing more than just repetition. They exhibited patterns. Regular, almost rhythmic patterns. Fast radio bursts, once described as occurring without rhyme or reason, were now demonstrating discernible cycles. This wasn't just cosmic noise, it hinted at something structured. Something deliberate. Consider the FRB discovered to repeat in a precise 16-day cycle. Or the baffling signal that kept time like a metronome, arriving every 36 minutes for 8 days straight before vanishing. These aren't chaotic events. They are remarkably consistent. A cosmic heartbeat, perhaps? But what kind of natural cosmic heart beats with such unwavering, almost artificial, regularity? Then came the signals that defied our very understanding of astrophysics. A bizarre radio signal in our own Milky Way, lasting a minute every 20 minutes. Then, another, RSCAP J 1935 plus 2148, repeating every 53.8 minutes, the longest period ever recorded for such a signal. These aren't just unexplained, they're considered impossible based on current scientific knowledge of natural cosmic objects. Impossible. For signals so precisely periodic, so outside the boundaries of known physics, the lack of an identified natural source becomes deafening. While some FRBs are eventually traced to astrophysical phenomena, these specific, highly regular pulses remain stubbornly enigmatic. No pulsar, no magnetar, no stellar collision seems to fit. What, then, is responsible for these carefully timed cosmic transmissions? This is where the whispers of artificiality begin to grow louder. When a signal repeats with such precision, when it defies known physical laws, when its source remains stubbornly hidden, how long can we cling to purely natural explanations? Is it possible these aren't just cosmic accidents, but intentional beacons? Messages, perhaps, from a technology we can barely fathom? The universe is vast, and its wonders are endless. But complexity, periodicity, and defiance of known physics are often the hallmarks of design, not randomness. Could these signals be a cosmic fingerprint, an unmistakable signature of an intelligence far beyond our own, reaching across the void? A silent, yet insistent, communication strategy, patiently waiting for us to understand? The search continues. Every new repeating burst, every impossible periodicity, pushes the boundaries of our cosmic understanding. The universe may be speaking to us in a language we are only just beginning to comprehend. And as we listen to these strange, repeating rhythms from deep space, the question lingers, are we truly alone? Or are these echoes from the void, an invitation to a conversation that has already begun?